Digestion of protein. Label 3 test tubes P1, P2, and P3. Next, add 5 milliliters of distilled water to test tube P1 and 1 milliliter of distilled water to test tube P3. Then add 5 milliliters of 2% pepsin solution to test tube P2 and P3. Add 1 milliliter of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid to test tube P1 and add 1 milliliter of 0.2 molar hydrochloric acid to test tube P2. Now add a small piece of cooked egg white to each test tube. Place all the test tubes into a 37°C water bath for 1 hour. Be sure to monitor the temperature of the water bath during this incubation period. After 1 hour has passed, remove the test tubes from the water bath and record any changes in the report sheet. The differences between the control and the other two samples can be attributed to the enzyme pepsin in the acidic and near-neutral environment. Your instructor may advise you to use raw egg whites for more discernible results.